Yeah, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to be addressing a serious controversial issue that is facing about 97% of the population in the world. So you need to listen very carefully and make sure you don't make that mistake. So it's facing, like a lot of people are facing this kind of issue. We always want to maybe to get satisfied in the short period of time. Let's say for instance, actually mostly in Africa, everybody, like, they just want to be satisfied within the shortest possible time. What did I mean by satisfied within the shortest possible time? When we are up, like we are planning for something, we don't always maybe plan for a long-term goal. What we normally plan for is just we want it within a month, we want to get a thing, and it doesn't happen that way. So you need to know this in mind when you are to start either a business or anything that you are to start in life. Just know that it's at the beginning. Don't expect maybe results. So when you want to you expect results at the beginning, you are going to lose hope, and you are going to maybe leave that particular business, and maybe that business maybe the lucrative business that would have make you a millionaire. So when you are to maybe to do something, always target it long-term goal. Like when you are to do something, target about what the thing can do about for you about 2 to 3 years. Plan it that way. Don't plan it within maybe 1 year. What would that thing do for you? Let's say if you are within the maybe if you are in the online space, you will know this. When you start something in the online space, it will take you a lot of time. When you know this, it will take you a lot of time. So it will take you a lot of time before you can get the massive followers. Let's say, especially on YouTube, you can see somebody can start a channel for about a year or 2 years, and the channel have not even get up to 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. The most difficult platform that you can find is actually YouTube. It's difficult to get it because the volume is very high. It's difficult to get maybe a lot of followers there, a lot of subscribers. It's difficult to get, but most of the other platforms is somehow better. So if you are to start something, look, like, just mark it as long-term goal. Don't focus on short-term goal. Know that whatever you achieve it within shortest possible time, when it is going to maybe to just disappear, it's also going to disappear within the shortest possible time. Let's say you are able to get some money within the shortest possible time. Just know that if that money is also going to maybe you're going to run in loss, it also go the same way. So that's what you need to put in mind. Know that everything is about compounding. So you start small, it just flop like this and it go, but if you get it straight, it's going to also fall down straight. So you need to put that in mind. Anytime that you are to start something, put it as long-term goal, and always focus on what you do. Don't focus on what people say about you, and that's most of our problem. Immediately we hear about negative things about maybe ourselves, you will just give up within a shortest possible time and never do that. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow the page for more tips like this. And if you don't follow the page, maybe this may be the first time that you are seeing me, and it may also be the last time that you are seeing me, because the algorithm will not recommend my video to you again after maybe you have watched this one if you don't follow me. But if you follow me and upload a new video, you go notify and come to my page and watch. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. One love.